Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system software is current. This matters because background services handle updates. Once done, restart the Xbox to clear update locks and connect via Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi for consistent throughput. Make sure app auto updates are enabled and there's at least 5% free storage to receive packages. You're now ready to trigger manual checks. I'll walk you through the immediate actions to push updates faster. Now focus on resource allocation to shorten update time. Close every running app, press the Xbox button, select the app, and choose Quit, because RAM and CPU contention slows installers. Pause large game downloads so the update server uses full bandwidth. You can resume them later. Change the power mode to Instant On. This allows background downloads and faster resume. These steps concentrate system resources and network capacity. Finish by running a manual update check in My Games and Apps, then trigger the app's update. This forces the server to push any available patches. If an update hangs, perform a full power cycle. Hold the power button 10 seconds, unplug for 10 seconds, then restart. This clears cache and temp locks. Make sure cloud saves are synced before reinstalling an app as a last resort. Doing so preserves progress while resolving corrupt update data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.